Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the unhandled exception caught error in Black Ops 2 on PC, so you can stop crashes and launch the game normally. First, restart your PC because temporary system glitches can trigger this error. Next, run the game as administrator to avoid permission-related crashes. After that, set compatibility mode to Windows 7 since Black Ops 2 is an older title and works better with legacy settings. You should also verify your game files or reinstall the game if any data is corrupted. Another important step is to install or repair DirectX 9 and Visual C++ redistributables because missing components often cause this crash. Also, disable any overlays like Steam Overlay or Discord Overlay. Make sure your graphics drivers are updated but stable. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and the unhandled exception error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.